Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Athens, Greece. And in my neighborhood, every Monday they have like a farmer's market. And this is the start of that farmer's market. And it used to be on a different street the last Monday I came, but now it's on this street. And so it kind of moves and does its thing. And so it's kind of interesting to keep track of it. But I'm going to go walk you down the regular farmer's market. So I think the guy said that every little community has like a farmer's market. And so it's where people can sell their stuff on the street and all that kind of stuff. And I'm sorry about my hair, but I'm gonna go get a haircut next. But let's go do the farmer's market first. One thing at a time, eh? Okay, that's my ADD kicking in. So this is the farmer's market, and so this is the start of it. And it used to be one street over, but this is it's wonderful because I come here and I buy my potatoes and I buy my apples and I buy my fruit and I buy all my little stuff here. It's usually cheaper than going to any grocery stores, and it's usually fresher. So this is like farmer's market type stuff. And so I'll go through here slowly and you can see all the stuff. And so I've bought cantaloupe here and I've bought watermelon here. I didn't buy any eggs, but I didn't buy bananas either though, and they have fish and all sorts of different things. Calamera. Good, outstanding. Very nice. Fresh fish. Huh. Thank you. Efkarasto. Can you believe it? I know Efkarasto and Calamera, but somebody said something that they were surprised I learned a word. Well, now I know two. And I have to do calamara by saying calamari, and then I fix it and correct it. But they all tend to laugh at me. But you know, this is the market, and so it's, you know, the produce is like amazing. Look at that. Is that incredible? So you get little fresh bell peppers and fresh red peppers and fresh. I think that's cucumbers and tomatoes, and I try not to get in people's way. And they have eggs pretty cheap too, which is pretty amazing. So those are like 23 cents for large. So I don't know, but he packs them and does all that stuff. But the market is huge. It goes all the way down. So they have nuts too. Nuts, raisins, walnuts, rice, cashews, everything. Lettuce, peas, beans, everything. Pretty amazing. And carrots. I think I know her. Anyway, good carrots. And I don't know what that is, but something I don't need for sure. But the market goes way down. And so these are zucchinis, and it's such an amazing picture, you know, and so lemons, apples, pears, peaches, nectarines. Amazing. How you doing, man? Calamari. Calamera.
Calimera.
Yeah, not calamari.
Calimera, my friend. Hey, Mario.
So they got cherries for $6.99 for a kilogram, which is like 2 pounds. And they got big zucchinis, big cucumbers, big tomatoes. And it's pretty exciting place around here. Flowers and all sorts of different things. Snap peas, this would be wonderful. I almost bought some last time, but I didn't do it, so pretty amazing.
What is that?
Oh, and they have different types of cherries this time. I haven't ever seen these kind, so those are pretty amazing. So, here's looking. Thank you. Efkarasto. And and here's another thing about their cantaloupe. Their cantaloupe isn't orange; it's white inside, which is interesting. And their seeds aren't seedless; they're all the black seeds. So, just be aware that you know, they're not manipulated by, you know, gene therapy, I guess. I don't know what the hell they call that stuff, but they have nectarines and they have apricots and limes, and so It's pretty amazing. $4.99 for a kilo of apricots and lettuce. And I bought lettuce here the other day because it's hard to find. Like, this is this standard lettuce that they have, but I found a lettuce here that was the iceberg lettuce, the kind that we have in America. You know, you gotta. Oh, I like this. I like that they put the little green things up. That's pretty amazing. Perfect. Yeah. I got 6 tomatoes at home to last me 4 days, so I'll do that. But now these are orange. Now that's interesting. So the last one I had was white, but this is orange. So, and again, not white seeds, but black seeds. So. Onions, potatoes, and it goes way down here. And obviously, this is only on Mondays, and this is the local market for this area. And so the guy was saying that each area has its own little market stuff, and it's huge. I mean, it goes on for like a kilometer. It's just crazy, and I like how they stack them up. Pretty amazing. Just looking. Thank you. Calamata. Just looking. Thank you. YouTube. Wow. And fish and all sorts of different things. Now here's $4.50 for a kilogram. And they'll let you test them and they'll give them to you free and everything else. So, but the fish are over here. You know, and I don't know anything about fish from the sea. You know, so it's kind of interesting. Calamata. Oh, sorry. And another orange cantaloupe. So the last two I've had were like white inside, like almost like a cross section between what do they call that? Not cantaloupe, but what's the other one that's white inside? Anyway, we'll just skip it. I'll remember it in about 50 feet. That's the way Eric usually rocks. Eggplant and purple thingies and calamer. Is that the difference? Oh, and then there's kitties in the way, and I'm sure they're small in the fish, and so that cat looks a little beat up, so we'll just let him go. And salmon and interesting. And I don't have any idea what all these things are, so. But it goes on. It'll go down here, and then it'll get out of food, and it'll go to clothing, and then it goes to pots and pans and accessories. And now here's the section for olives, so you can have just about any kind of olive you ever wanted in your lifetime, and they'll let you sample any of them. And then what is that? Fermented fruit or fermented vegetables, whatever they call that stuff. Here, I'll do it this way so you can kind of see. And spices and more nuts and craisins and raisins and calamera. And more kitties. Hi, kitty. And now the clothing section. And again, this just keeps on going. But I don't want to make this video 10,000 feet long. And so to me, the fruits and vegetables are the amazing part because they're all farmer stuff. Whereas this is all clothing stuff, but I'm sure they don't have my size. Asking for size 14 shoes is almost like asking for somebody to part the Red Sea. You want a purse? We can get you a purse. You want a backpack? We got those too. So, and more clothes and he just shakes them out of the bag. And then they sort accordingly. How about some socks? You want some socks? We can get you some socks. Some interesting socks too, by the way. And again, it really is, I'll let this guy pass. Oh. Sometimes they don't care much, but you can see this thing just goes on and on and on and on, and drains and plugs and housewares. And so we're out of the clothing section for the most part. We got little clothes here still, but it goes to the housing section and fans and pots and pans and just everything. And literally this just goes on and on. It's only on Mondays, and so you see people come here, and here now the shoe section, and so they come here and they just load up and fill up for the week, and then they come back on the next Monday. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to stop. The video is already 11 minutes long, and so you get the point. But look for, if you come to Athens and you're here for any amount of time, look for your local little area farmers market, and everybody will know where it's at. That's it for me. Thanks for coming, everybody. Now it's time for a haircut, because I'm getting kind of shaggy and long, and so I keep trimming it over my ears, but never mind. We don't need to hear that. We're doing the farmers market. Bye, everybody.